everyone, I am Dr. Hema from Ancient Madurai. Today we are going to see a kitchen tour, an ancient traditional brass kitchen. Come, let us go. I will show you my kitchen and how I have arranged it with antique brass utensils and items. Come with me. So this is my brass kitchen. You can see everything is brass. I love so much of brass. So let me just give you a small introduction about what are these. So this is a stainless steel stand that is available in all markets. So and these are the plates. This is the puja plate, and this is a plate that is used for rice. When we make rice, this is used, and it will sieve off the water from the rice. This is the eating plate, brass eating plate. You can see how big it is, and we use occasionally these. And this is a kunda which is used for sorting and making kolambu. This is a bronze one, and it has a tiny legs also here. So this is used for storing kolambu. This is a small to keep the side dish, and this is one from the this is a tumbler from the tea shop. Actually I loved it and I so have it here. And we can see all these small tukus here. These are very tiny tukus. We can keep some snacks in this. This is called sambar tuku. It has a leaf shaped pattern here, you can see that, and it is used to serve sambars in functions. So it's very cute. It can be used as a planter actually. And this is a brass funnel, and this is a brass murku olakku. We used to make murku in that. You can see these 3 lines, and it has to be done like this. And I have a lot of brass tumblers here, and I used to drink water, coffee in brass tumblers only. This is a different type of tumbler that we have. And you can see a big storage can here. This was used to store milk in the olden days, carry milk also. These are the kerosene lamps that was used. And so this is my storage, a little for this utensil storage area. And here comes the main part of the kitchen. This is my favorite. This is a mega jumbo brass coffee filter, and the dabra set. This is new actually because I don't have anything old. These are all antiques. So this is a brass coffee dabra set, and this is a very unique piece. It weighs over 3 kgs in weight and has a unique pattern. This was used for carrying lunch to the office in the olden days. And this is called Vengala Panai, and bronze Panai, and this was used to make rice in the olden days. And this is a kerosene lamp. In the olden days they used to keep kerosene lamps everywhere. You can see the wick here, and so they used to light it in the kitchen and all the places actually. And here this is a bronze big kadai type of thing, and we can put rice in this. This was used to take rice. This is a bronze ladle used to take rice. And here comes the most interesting part, my favorite stove, olden brass stove, and olden idli cooker. I love this cooker. I have 3 or 4 of this, and I cook only in this mostly. So you have to put a cloth on this and then cook. So this is that. And here comes the most important favorite part. You would have seen like this in many places in wood. This is the spoon stand, but it is in brass. Very rare. It is in brass. You can see how the ladles are, or we call it a karandis in Tamil. They are all hung in this. So these are all brass, bronze, and a unique metal called muri. Muri is ancient pure brass, pure bronze ladles. This is very unique, and it has patterns also here. We have a set of this with us now. And then here is a lota for drinking water. These are copper brass vessels that are used to store drinking water. You can see the copper ones here and the brass here. So these were used for drinking water. This is a typical lota, bronze lota used for taking water and drinking. This is a copper copper sombu, we call it sombu, used for drinking water. And here I innovated a brass hanging, this is for use for taking milk from huge containers. I have changed it into a spoon stand. You can see the spoons here, all here. This is a very unique pattern of spoon that we have, and so I have kept it like this in my kitchen. And now comes the sink area. So you can see this is the most traditional form. We use sabina powder with this coconut thing, and this is a iron kulipaniyara chatti. This is one thing I use for cooking, but this is all for sale only, so I use it at home also like this. And here comes another important, very unique thing that we have. This is a brass kitchen utensil stand. You can see there is a stand for all these spoons and stand for hanging this. This is a brass tea siever, and this is a very tiny siever that we have here, and here you can keep plates. So this is the kitchen that I have for now. I use mostly brass vessels now. Cleaning brass is very difficult, I know, but I love seeing brass in the kitchen. Brass is the new gold. I know you might know that also. So see you in the part 2. Bye.